to the chest of Dennis Otim. Squares it through the midfield. Well intercepted, picked up here by Bagoina. Looking for Alpha Thierry Sally. Takes the shot and it's deflected. And Alpha Thierry Sally makes his mark on the eternal derby. He will celebrate. He will be full of cheer and joy because tonight his father is in the stands. Moses Sally, Bebekul, witnesses his son make a mark on the biggest derby.
Well, I'll tell you that he has a streak of picking the right occasion and striking when you probably need the goal, and that's for Express fans. And for Alpha Sally, I don't think that he can forget this moment. Scoring a goal against SC Villa is one that is going to endear him to these Express fans. As you can see his father right there.
Well, must be a proud moment there for Mr. Bebekul, Moses Sally. How was that for a through pass from Wagoina? A hint of luck with that shot having deflected off the chest of one of the AC Villa defenders. But luck is only fashioned out by those that are prepared, and Alpha Thierry Sally was prepared. His celebration says it all. He's been fully pumped. Ladies and gentlemen, the derby is underway.
Yeah, I'll tell you that this is such a big occasion for the father. You can see him right there on the phone as he's probably stressing the point.
Kakande looking to advance here. Kakande, beautiful through pass there to Bogede. Sechiganda, Umalutalo shows too much of the ball. Still an opportunity. 1-2 from Villa. Jonah Patrick Kakande! Scintillating stuff! The stuff made of dreams! That was as cryptic as a puzzle. That was as intricate as a poem. That was AC Villa at its finest. Totally outclassed that defense. Left them for dead. And Kakande picks up the goal. Equalizer.
Well, I think that it's very evident that when Villa decides to play, there can be a real thorn in the flesh. And that's what they have exhibited there with them, the ball. There, Kakande getting...
Chimera makes his run up, takes the shot, dispatches it with some real venom. That was a stinging shot, and the Jogos have turned the tables. They were trailing, they equalized, and on the hour mark, with a couple of minutes in there, it's AC Villa now in the driving seat.
Yeah, I'm sure that it's a fully deserved lead. They've been the better side for much of the second half, and you felt that they were pouncing and they kept probing and they kept creating the chances in that penalty.